Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to get your Instagram URL. Open the Instagram app and go straight to your profile page, then tap the three lines and choose Settings. From there, select Account or Sharing to copy your username, or use the browser option to view Instagram. com/your username and copy the address bar. I'll guide you through both app and web methods so you can share your profile link with confidence and ease. Open the Instagram app and head to your profile to use the app method step by step. Tap the three horizontal lines, choose Share Profile or Copy Profile URL when shown, and paste it wherever you need to share. If no direct copy appears, open the browser option within the app to copy Instagram. com/your username. I'll explain quick checks so the link opens correctly for others and avoids common mistakes. For the web method, open a browser and type Instagram. com/your username to get the full URL instantly. Copy the address bar and test it in an incognito window to confirm it leads to your profile. Watch for special characters or dots in usernames that change the path, and avoid unnecessary link shorteners when sharing publicly. I'll share troubleshooting tips so your saved link always opens correctly for viewers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.